Home Depot is slashing tools by up to 47%. We're talking a $1,319 kit dropping to $698 and a $569 saw down to $299. These are 36 real Memorial Day deals worth your money. All links are in the video description below. Home Depot Power Tools and Combo Kit Deals. Deal number 36. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12-volt brushless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit was $409, now $229, 44% off. The most compact M12 drill and impact driver on the market in one kit, plus a 3/8-inch ratchet delivering 35 foot-pounds of torque at 250 RPM. Brushless motors on both tools maximize speed under load, and the XC 4 amp-hour battery, CP 2 amp-hour battery, charger, and contractor bag are all included. Deal number 35. Milwaukee M18 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 8-tool combo kit was $1319, now $698, 47% off. This 8-tool M18 kit covers drilling, fastening, cutting, and demolition with a 3,500 RPM circular saw, a hacksaw for one-handed reciprocating action, multiple batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. It's a complete professional arsenal built to handle any project without missing a beat. Deal number 34. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt brushless Sawzall reciprocating saw kit was $569, now $299, 47% off. Built for demolition that breaks lesser tools, this Sawzall delivers 3,000 SPM with a 1 1/4-inch stroke, RedLink Plus intelligence for peak performance under extreme load, and metal-reinforced battery rails with a wear-resistant quick-lock blade clamp. 2 batteries included. Deal number 33. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt brushless 6.5-inch plunge track saw kit was $589, now $469, 20% off. Ripping through solid hardwood at 6,300 RPM with over 90% dust collection, this track saw is built for carpenters who demand job site precision. Intelligent overload protection and a 5.0 amp-hour battery are included. Laser straight cuts, no compromise. Deal number 32. DeWalt 15-amp 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw with XPS was $649, now $499, 23% off. This 15-amp miter saw uses XPS crosscut positioning for adjustment-free shadow line accuracy, rips through 2x14 lumber at 90 degrees, and handles vertical crown molding with tall sliding fences. A shop staple built for professional-grade precision on high-capacity daily cuts. Deal number 31. DeWalt 15-amp corded 8 1/4-inch compact portable job site table saw was $429, now $349, 19% off. Compact in size, serious in power. This job site table saw runs a 5,800 RPM motor through full 4x8 sheet goods, with a rack and pinion telescoping fence for fast, accurate adjustments, and a metal roll cage that survives rough job site conditions. Deal number 30. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR half-inch high-torque impact wrench kit was $349, now $269, 23% off. Delivering 1,030 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway power, this impact wrench tears through seized bolts and concrete anchors. Precision wrench technology prevents over-tightening, and Battery Guard protects the included 5.0 amp-hour pack from vibration wear. Deal number 29. DeWalt 20-volt Max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit was $239, now $159, 33% off. A pro-grade pairing built for tight spaces, a 2-speed drill at 300 UWO, a lightweight impact driver with a 3 LED shadow-free ring for low visibility work, 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. Everything you need to build a solid toolkit foundation. Deal number 28. DeWalt Atomic 20-volt cordless compact 1/2-inch drill driver kit was $179, now $99, 45% off. At just 5.88 inches, it's DeWalt's most compact 20-volt head, but it still pushes 404 UWO and 1,650 RPM without breaking a sweat. A heavy-duty ratcheting chuck locks bits securely, and an integrated LED lights up every cramped corner you're working in. Deal number 27. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool, tool only, was $249, now $199, 20% off. The fastest cutting oscillating tool in its class, 10,000 to 20,000 OPM with a 4.2-degree angle, vibration dampening for long sessions, a 180-degree LED, tool-free blade changes, and a 10-setting auto-load dial for precise starts on complex demolition work. Deal number 26. Milwaukee M18 18-volt lithium-ion cordless oscillating multi-tool kit was $199, now $119, 40% off. Cuts 50% faster than competing multi-tools. This kit handles plunge cuts, grout removal, and scraping with constant power technology holding 11,000 to 18,000 OPM under load. Battery, charger, a 12-setting speed dial, built-in LED, and accessories all included. Deal number 25. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Gen 2 18-gauge brad nailer, tool only, was $329, now $279, 15% off. No compressor, no hose, no gas cartridges. This brad nailer's nitrogen air spring mechanism delivers zero ramp-up time and sinks nails cleanly into hard and soft woods every time. Tool-free depth adjustment and dry fire lockout keep finish work flawless. Deal number 24. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt 18-gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer with 2.0 amp-hour battery was $238, now $188, 21% off. Airstrike technology eliminates compressors entirely. This nailer drives up to 1,900 nails per charge into hardwoods with a 45% smaller nose for tight corners and tool-free depth adjustment for perfectly flush nail heads. Window trim, door casings, cabinets, all sorted. Deal number 23. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt cordless 2-tool woodworking combo kit was $158, now $99, 37% off. This cordless pairing is a must-have for mobile woodworking. You get a high-speed 30,000 RPM router for precise trimming and a low-vibration orbital sander for a swirl-free finish. It's a cost-effective way to expand your ONE+ collection with shop-grade performance. Deal number 22. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt cordless circular saw and jigsaw combo kit was $138, now $79, 43% off. 2 saws covering opposite ends of the cutting spectrum, a 4,700 RPM circular saw for rough framing, and a jigsaw with 4 orbital settings and 30% less vibration for intricate splinter-free detail work. A versatile cordless pairing for any ONE+ toolkit. Deal number 21. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR cordless brushless 5-inch random orbital sander, tool only, was $179, now $99, 45% off. Running from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM via a variable speed dial, this brushless sander gives precise control for a range of finishing projects. The low-profile rubber grip lets you work closer to the surface with less fatigue, while the dust-sealed switch and quick-change hook and loop pad keep sessions clean and efficient. Home Depot outdoor power and lawn equipment deals. Deal number 20. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 21-inch self-propelled dual battery mower kit was $11.99, now $9.99, 17% off. Out-muscling a 200cc gas engine, this mower features a rugged 21-inch steel deck, active speed management for precision self-propulsion, high-output forge batteries for maximum runtime, and 3-in-1 grass management. Professional-grade landscaping power with zero gas and zero maintenance. Deal number 19. DeWalt 2x20-volt Max 21-inch cordless self-propelled lawnmower kit was $649, now $499, 23% off. This redesigned mower pairs a dual-blade cutting system with an AutoSense motor that delivers up to 80 minutes of runtime. A one-touch fold takes up 82% less storage space, and an integrated LED dashboard with variable speed propulsion makes it smarter and quieter than any gas alternative. Deal number 18. Ryobi 40-volt cordless string trimmer, blower, and edger combo kit was $363, now $299, 18% off. 3 yard tools in one bundle. A 15-inch Expandit trimmer, a 550 CFM blower that clears damp debris, and a dedicated edger for crisp sidewalk borders. This kit outperforms 25cc gas engines with zero fuel, zero maintenance, and enough power for serious property cleanup on a single charge. Deal number 17. Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless 16-inch cordless chainsaw kit was $299, now $239, 20% off. matching the power of a 40cc gas engine without fuel, pull starts, or tune-ups. This chainsaw delivers over 60 cuts per charge, an automatic oiler for bar longevity, a mechanical chain brake for safety, and metal bucking spikes for stability during felling and storm cleanup. Deal number 16. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt brushless 8-inch hatchet pruning saw, tool only. Was $279, now $199, 29% off. Under 5 pounds and faster through hardwoods than a 25cc gas competitor. This pruning saw delivers instant throttle via the Power State motor, metal bucking spikes for leverage and control, a lanyard loop for aerial work, and an automatic oiler for smooth cuts in tight access areas. Deal number 15. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR brushless 8-inch cordless pole saw kit. Was $249, now $199, 20% off. Extending your reach up to 15 feet. This pole saw lets you prune high branches safely from the ground with up to 96 cuts per charge. Metal bucking strips provide a secure grip. A built-in tree hook simplifies limb removal, and auto-oiling keeps the bar running smoothly. 5.0 amp-hour battery included. Deal number 14. Makita 18-volt LXT brushless cordless leaf blower kit. Was $269, now $229, 15% off. At 6.5 pounds, this blower still pushes 459 CFM and 116 mph. The brushless motor extends runtime by up to 50%. A cruise control lever locks in speed hands-free, and extreme protection technology guards against dust and water on any job site. Deal number 13. Ridgid 18-volt brushless 14-inch cordless string trimmer, tool only. Was $189, now $159, 16% off. Backed by Ridgid's lifetime service agreement, free parts and service for life. An adjustable 12 to 14-inch cut swath balances power and runtime. The bump feed head reloads in under 60 seconds, and the 2-speed switch handles everything from precision edging to thick weed clearing. Deal number 12. Black & Decker 20-volt Max 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer kit. Was $99, now $79, 20% off. Lightweight and maneuverable, this 22-inch hedge trimmer cuts vibration by 40% with dual-action blades, handles a 3/4-inch cut capacity, and covers up to 3,000 square feet per charge. A full wraparound handle gives multi-directional control for clean lines across any hedge or shrub. Deal number 11. Ryobi Expandit Universal Straight Shaft Edger Attachment. Was $99, now $79, 20% off. Turn your existing trimmer into a dedicated edger without buying a new tool. This universal attachment snaps on in seconds, delivers depth control up to 2.25 inches via a rear wheel, and works with most gas and cordless attachment-capable systems. Deal number 10. Ryobi 3000 PSI 1.1 GPM electric pressure washer and 12-inch surface cleaner kit. Was $509, now $429, 16% off. This kit combines 3000 PSI from a 13-amp brushless motor with a 12-inch surface cleaner on casters that finishes driveways 4 times faster than a standard nozzle. A 35-foot hose, flat-free wheels, and a maintenance-free brushless motor make it the complete outdoor cleaning setup. Deal number 9. DeWalt 2400 PSI 1.1 GPM cold water electric pressure washer. Was $399, now $229, 43% off. CETA certified and built to handle everything from vehicle detailing to job site cleanup. This 2400 PSI washer rolls on 10-inch pneumatic wheels over rough terrain, packs an integrated soap tank, and comes with 5 nozzles and a kink-resistant hose. A reliable, powerful alternative to gas. Home Depot hand tools, accessories, and essential deals. Deal number 8. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set, 23-piece. Was $49.97, now $39.97, 20% off. Titanium-coated bits that last 5 times longer than black oxide. Red Helix technology delivers rapid chip removal, quad-edge tips deliver precision starts, and the 1/4-inch hex shanks fit any impact driver. All 23 pieces are stored in a pack-out compatible case. Deal number 7. Milwaukee Shockwave 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric 6-point impact socket set, 43-piece. Was $159.97, now $119.97, 25% off. 43 high-strength steel sockets built to take extreme impact torque without rounding fasteners. Non-slip hex geometry locks onto fasteners cleanly. Bold ink-filled size markings won't fade, and a lifetime guarantee backs every piece in the impact-resistant stackable case. Deal number 6. Milwaukee quarter-inch drive SAE metric ratchet and socket mechanics tool set, 50-piece. Was $139.99, now $97.97, 30% off. A 50-piece mechanic set with a 90-tooth ratchet, slim profile, and 4-degree arc swing for the tightest spaces. 4 flat socket sides prevent rolling, stamped size markings stay visible over years of use, and a lifetime guarantee covers every piece in the portable case. Deal number 5. Rigid 18-volt cordless portable inflator kit. Was $139, now $99, 29% off. Backed by Rigid's lifetime service agreement, this inflator pushes 150 psi to fill truck tires from flat to full, with auto shutoff that stops precisely at your target pressure. Hybrid power lets it run on the included 18-volt battery or plug directly into any 12-volt vehicle outlet. Deal number 4. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt cordless high-pressure inflator. Tool only. Was $39.97, now $29.97, 25% off. Compact enough to stash anywhere and powerful enough to push 160 psi for car tires, bike tubes, and sports equipment. A digital gauge and auto shutoff deliver completely hands-free operation, while a 24-inch extended reach hose and onboard accessory storage add everyday convenience. Deal number 3. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt lithium-ion 4.0 amp-hour battery. Was $149, now $119, 20% off. The power upgrade every ONE+ user needs. 3 times the runtime of standard packs, professional-grade cells that resist fade in extreme weather, integrated LED fuel gauges for quick status checks, impact-resistant housing, and compatibility across 300+ tools in the ONE+ ecosystem. Deal number 2. Empire 24-inch aluminum I-beam level with 12-inch compact box level set. Was $34.94, now $24.88, 29% off. This leveling duo pairs a 24-inch I-beam hitting 0.0005 per inch accuracy with high-contrast acrylic vials and a magnetic 12-inch compact level with a vari-pitch vial for slope and pitch work. A limited lifetime warranty backs both pieces, from framing to specialized grading. Deal number 1. DeWalt 20-volt max job site fan. Tool only. Was $169, now $129, 24% off. Rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, this 650 CFM job site fan delivers powerful concentrated airflow wherever you need it. Hang it, mount it, or stand it up anywhere on site. Variable speed control dials in the perfect breeze, and 20-volt max compatibility means it runs on the batteries already in your bag. That's all 36 Home Depot Memorial Day deals. Every link is in the description so you can grab what you need before stock runs out. If this saved you money, subscribe to Valid Consumer. We hunt deals like this every single week so you don't have to.